Kulis bin perlok kiparjat videos net pe kubor ni channel tane po perlok ngene pe ya gini ki baka kubor spot leng ba Fabrizio Romano open leng baka Facebook page ka jong umo Lamin Yamal or Lionel Messi to be written in the star mano ban job ya FIFA World Cup perlok happening ka Spain Persia ya Messi batru happening ka Spain Persia ya Argentina kabar Lionel Messi kada du menta kini kidi record ki jong hakawe dei bat ka FIFA World Cup Cover meta snam arajar arpang reu goal contribution ar chance great arpsan big chance great pra successful dribble 25 accurate cross 19 true ball 15 shot 34 unstoppable Lionel Messi nang tapan Fabrizio Romano maka Richard found it out pass shortly before leave England World Cup match the former defender nang ta when Rooney England has picking you cannot go 1-0 up and then surrender. You want to be on the front foot. It's Argentina who are under pressure. Hadien when Rooney uang ba pimla ban susun rondar no tang ba piyo tang sigol Henry ke Barcelona ke Argentina pan hadin pagalayo tabro ka claim surrender kadang klan Arsha. Metik second. Besir. Robert Lewandowski, my time at Barca was over and I could not imagine myself in another European forum. My affection to Barca was too big. Robert Lewandowski uang ba umla ban mundur ba ka Barcelona kadai ke klub ko ite nangta Argentina kini kidi record jong ke Argentina nadu usnam Arjar Al-Kuwait kalara ya ke Copa America Arjar Al-Ar kalara ya final sima Arjar Al-Ar kalara ya FIFA World Cup Arjar Al-Sau Copa America batka Arjar Al-Pendriu kalan bandra ya ke World Cup inside pe haka santarik Al-Pukrik kalian Mbappe has never been eliminated from the World Cup in his career. He was unbeaten in the World Cup knockout stage. Most goal plus assists in the World Cup history. Banipong de Lionel Messi. The line politely the goal plus assist. Nang tahu Messi lawan ba Henry. The absently goal plus assist. But bawan kat kendai teli goal plus assist de Ronaldo Nazario. But close unique. And then Arsenal keep working to sign Morgan Rogers as top target after recruitment. Ketua dan Kamtan. Kani New Guinea uang ya Messi good luck for the final but Messi ula reply thank you see you. Real Madrid are ready to attack for Michael Olise if deal will be possible. Perez consider ya Olise bau kurang juga bansan ya naka Bayern Munich. Position from Gordon goal to Lautaro Martinez goal. Kadika hat persen ya ke England but prapo persen ya ke Argentina harin bau Gordon ulah tiap ya ke si goal ke Argentina kala keu position shadow ke prapo persen. Messi, I know many people player in Spain but most of them play for Barcelona. Barca is team I adore. I still follow them. Messi wong sibun player kilek kai na ke Barcelona bat badiru player jong ke Spain ke Barca ke tim ke banga ditenat bat ke banga burom ba ada benda ngadang but ya ka Lionel Messi, if we had lost to England people have said all kind of nonsense. We don't give them that chance. Uong baladang yaram ya ke England baru kibri ukins om bangim om pois Henry kata kasing ong ke jong tingin om kela kumba ong deh tang ni perlok kulis bun kulis jarno yang sing lepas next video.